RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav stirred political controversy when he claimed that his name was missing from the newly released draft of Bihar voter list. However, the Election Commission of India quickly dismissed his claim, confirming that Yadav's name is indeed present and listed at serial number 416, though some confusion remains over the epic number that he was claiming, that is, your voter ID number, and the EC sources have said he could be having more than one epic number.
यही है ना मेरा, ये एप्लीकेशन है, मेरा भी नहीं है। हम चुनाव कैसे लड़ेंगे? What does it mean? हाँ भाई, चुनाव लड़ने के लिए आपको बूथ वोटर बनना चाहिए, बिहार का वोटर होना चाहिए, तब जाकर के आप चुनाव लड़िएगा। मेरा तो यहाँ है, दीघा के वोटर हैं, दीघा विधानसभा वेटनरी में। अब जब चेक करना, जब मेरा नहीं है तो यही ताजुब लगेगी ना। अब आप बताओ, जो बाहर रह रहा है, कितने करोड़ों संख्या में रह रहे हैं, अब वो लोग भी ऑनलाइन अगर चेक कर रहा होगा तो उन लोग का भी नहीं है।
And the opposition continuing in its attack on the Election Commission over the voter revision process in Bihar. Remember, the voter lists were published yesterday, and at the annual legal conclave, Rahul Gandhi said, we're going to prove to you in coming days how a Lok Sabha election can be rigged. He also said the truth is that the election system in India is already dead, that the Prime Minister is a Prime Minister by a very slim majority, and if 15 seats were rigged, he could not have been the Prime Minister of India.
You know, I've been speaking recently about the election system, and I always had a suspicion that there was something wrong. Right from 2014, I had a suspicion that there's something wrong, something does not add up. In fact, I'll even go further. I had a suspicion in the Gujarat Assembly elections already. This ability to win sweeping victories. Congress party doesn't get a single seat in Rajasthan, doesn't get a single seat in Madhya Pradesh, doesn't get a single seat in Gujarat. This was surprising. It's literally like an atom bomb. Because the truth, my friends, is that the election system in India is already dead.
वोटर्स को जो है लिस्ट से नाम काट दिया गया है, और विधानसभा वाइज, यानी हर एक विधानसभा से 20 से 25 से 30 हजार वोटर्स का नाम जो है काटा गया है, यानी तकरीबन 8.5%। यानी चुनाव आयोग की चालाकी है, कहीं वोटर का नाम, मतलब जो वोटर का पता नहीं है, बूथ का नाम नंबर नहीं है। ये चुनाव आयोग तो पूरी तरीके से गोदी आयोग हो गया है। ये तरीका चुनाव आयोग का जो रवैया है, ये लोकतंत्र के लिए बहुत ही खतरनाक है।